Hello everyone, welcome back to the How to FPV series where I teach you how to fly a first-person view drone in short, easy-to-digest segments. So in this episode, episode 5, we're going to get into the really exciting stuff. We're finally going to learn some aerobatics, starting with flips and rolls. Now before we get into the flight instruction, I will mention that you may want to start turning up your rates right now. So basically making your sticks a little bit more sensitive so that you can do the flips and rolls a little bit faster, and that way your quad isn't going to plummet as much when you do these maneuvers. So it actually will make it a little bit easier on you if you turn up your rates. Now obviously you still want to be able to control the quad, so just increase your rates a little bit at a time to a point where you're still comfortable with them and they're not too sensitive but still faster than where you're at right now. So with that out of the way, let's learn how to do flips and rolls.
Alright, so the order of operations for this is you're going to give it a lot of throttle, cut the throttle completely, do the maneuver, and then get back on the throttle. So let's talk about the whole throttle thing first because it may seem a little strange. So the reason why we want to give a lot of throttle in the beginning is because during the maneuver we're going to sink like this because we're going to be off the throttle. And why do we want to be off the throttle? That's because we don't want to be giving it throttle when we're upside down, because that's actually going to make us accelerate towards the ground even faster than if we were at zero throttle. And then obviously we need to get back on the throttle at the end of the maneuver so that we can keep flying. So to start yourself off, you probably just want to practice just lots of throttle, zero throttle, and then catching yourself getting back on the throttle. So do that a couple times, right? So throttle, zero throttle, get back on the throttle. And get a feel for that, because that will also get you a feel for how much time you have to do your flip or your roll. So now let's talk about doing the actual trick. Starting with rolls because that's easier. And the reason why rolls are easier is because you can always see the horizon when you're doing a roll. So you can see the horizon, see the horizon, see the horizon. You can actually use that to figure out where you are, because if I'm tilted like this, I know I'm tilted to the left. Tilted like this, I know I'm tilted to the right, because just at the angle of the horizon. So it's a really easy way to figure out how you're oriented. So basically, you're just going to give yourself throttle, cut the throttle, and then go full stick until you see the horizon, do a full 360. So throttle, cut the throttle, full stick, full 360, and then get back on the throttle and level yourself out. And you probably are going to, roll too much or too little, and that's totally fine, right? So if I roll too much, I can just roll the other way to level myself out after I'm finished. Now, another thing you can do is actually slow down towards the end of your maneuver so you never overshoot your target of making a 360-degree spin. So what I mean by that is I'll do it really slow here. So full stick and then slow down until it's completely level. And that way you give yourself more reaction time and it actually looks a lot smoother. So once again, full stick and then less stick until you're perfectly leveled out. And you can do that for flips and rolls once you get more comfortable with them. But in the beginning, I would just go full stick and correct yourself, because that's going to take less time and you're not going to plummet as much. So now let's talk about flips, and same exact principle. You're going to get on the throttle, chop the throttle, do the maneuver, and then get back on the throttle. They're just a little bit harder to keep track of because you can't see the horizon the whole time. So for a backflip, which is pitching backwards, you're going to see sky, ground, and then horizon again. So once again, that's sky, ground, and then horizon again. If you have your rate set the same, it should take the same amount of time to do a roll as a flip. So if you have the timing down for your roll, you probably will be pretty close doing the same kind of timing for your flips. So we're going to give it throttle, and then we go full stick. And now I'm looking at sky, so that means I pitched back too much, so I need to pitch back forward. Conversely, if I didn't pitch enough, I'm going to be looking at the ground, so I need to pitch up more to see the horizon again and level myself out. So basically, if you end up looking at the sky, pitch down. If you end up looking at the ground, pitch up. And then for front flips, it's just kind of the reverse. You're going to see ground, sky, and then your horizon again. So fast, that looks like this. Oh, I didn't go far enough. I need to pitch down because I was looking at the sky. Let's try that again. Oh, I'm looking at the ground. I need to pitch up. And once again, you can slow down. So we'll do a backflip to demonstrate. You can slow down towards the end to make it a lot smoother. So give ourselves throttle, chop the throttle, pitch back, and then slow down until we see the horizon. And we didn't overshoot or undershoot. At least if someone was like watching our footage, they really wouldn't be able to tell if we do that pretty fast. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Get on the throttle, cut the throttle completely, do the maneuver, level yourself out, and get back on the throttle.
All right, that is it for this episode of How to FPV. In the next episode, we're gonna learn some more aerobatics. We're gonna learn power loops. So if you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, make sure to give it a like. And if you got value out of this video or you're using an ad blocker, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Links to the Patreon, Discord, and Instagram are in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Bye.